Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a productive day. Here's my video for Data and Motions Week 30, very easy coding question. So let's go ahead and get started on the instructions. The instructions is to write a function that takes the base and height of a triangle and return its area. So the first thing I like to do is create a skeleton that will have all the functions needed to complete the solution. So I have my solution functions, which is try area, and I also have a main where I have already copied and pasted each of the test cases to test our solution in the end. So let's get started on our function, which takes the base and height as a parameter. As the instructions state, don't forget to return the result. So I'm actually going to return results right here at the bottom, and then I'll go back to fill in the logic. So first we have to make the variable results and let Python know what the value is to have it returned. So we're going to set result equal to the formula that is provided in the notes at the top here, which is base times height divided by 2. And now I'll copy and paste that into my code as a comment, and then we'll go and plug that in with the parameters. Okay, so now that we have the comment here and we know what we need to return, we're going to go ahead and grab those parameters and put them set to result equals to base and height divided by 2. So every time the function is called, it'll take those as an argument, whatever number you provide, and it'll perform this formula here. Okay, so that was quite simple. I'll remove the comment just to make the code a little cleaner, and then we'll go ahead and run this solution to see if everything is working correctly. So as you see, it's actually returning as a float instead of an integer like they wanted in the instructions above. So to fix that, I'll just go ahead and make results type integer, and that way we'll just get back the actual numbers with no decimals. And there you have it. Everything is working correctly, so my solution is very efficient here. So let me know how you guys would have went about solving this coding question. And also let me know if you have any tips for me as far as improving any code here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.